Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use the Schedule to Excel tool from ARP Toolkit. This is a very simple tool with the only purpose of exporting data quickly from a Revit schedule to Excel. And the use is simple. You have a schedule open, you just click in the button and it will automatically open it in Excel. If you have not a schedule open, it doesn't matter. You can select it from the project browser. Actually, you can select multiple schedules from the project browser, and it will automatically open one Excel file per schedule with the data inside. After that, you can just copy-paste your data to another Excel file or just save as in your preferred location to carry on editing. And that's all. I hope that you find it useful, and if you have any question, please leave me a comment.